Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about Cursor CLI. Cursor CLI is your AI peer programmer in the terminal. Most of the developers like to code from the terminal or to do compilation from the terminal. So this tool can be used for review, refactor, or document your code instantly. There's no GUI needed, so definitely it's perfect for the developers who use terminal for the coding tasks. Installation is very easy. Here I've shown how you can install it on Mac, and I'm going to show you the website as well as the other information related to Cursor. It works on macOS, Linux, and Windows, and the command that you use is Cursor agent. There are different parameters you can pass to Cursor agent. You can of course run it standalone, and I will also show you in the demo. You can use it to review the code using Cursor agent space review, and if you want to generate the code documentation, you will use cursor-agent space doc space dot. It will generate the documentations for your code. You can pass the parameter to select different models. It has various integrations, so you can work with your CI/CD pipelines and integrate Cursor agent to that. So you can automatically do a code review or different tasks which you can assign to Cursor agent to do, for example, documentation and other tasks which we talked about. You can automate, of course, the pull request reviews and integrate into dev scripts. And I'm going to show you the demo now. To run Cursor agent, you could I had it running over here. I'm gonna start it. So you can run it, the Cursor agent, and it brings of course the small command line window where you can type the different windows. You can do different things. For example, I'm just gonna ask a general question which I asked above here also. What is the size of the earth? Just to kind of demonstrate that it can give answers to various questions which you are asking. So it is giving the answer. Now I'm into this particular repository. I can say give me information about the code in this directory. So it is going to list the different files. It is going to review the different applications in the file, and I'm just going to review that and give me the summary. I can use it, of course, as I mentioned, to generate documentation or to do code review or for different other tasks. Like I can also use the model command to select different models like Sonnet 4.5 or GPT-5, or have it automatically select that. That way we can use different models for selection. Coming back to the slide deck, and I'm going to discuss a summary over here. It is the developer hand in the terminal, and you can use it to chat with your code, review the code, generate the code without leaving your shell. It's very easy to install, and you can head over to cursor.com/CLI, and where you can see different options to install. Of course, I'm going to show it over here. So this is a website, and of course this is the command to install. There are different the commands, the model which I already showed, that you can use it. Also integration with different IDs are also mentioned over here, like how it integrates. There are different GitHub actions you can utilize. Also you can do other tasks, for example, look into using in the headless mode, which we talked about, that using refactor or to do code review or different other tasks, and you can also use it in the scripts. So in summary, it's a very powerful tool and that you can utilize in your coding tasks, and it will boost the productivity. Thank you for watching.